What if I told you that right now, thousands of people are making over $1 million a year without a single employee? No office, no payroll, no stress. Just them, a laptop, and the power of AI. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI businesses that can make you $1 million, completely solo. 1 AI automation agency. Let's start with the first, and one of the most profitable, AI automation agencies. Think about this. Every business today wants to save time and cut costs. From real estate to e-commerce, everyone is searching for ways to automate tasks like customer service, lead generation, and data entry. But most companies have no clue how to implement AI. That's where you step in. As an AI automation agency owner, your job is simple. Identify problems and use tools like Zapier, Make, Integromat, and chatgpt API to automate repetitive work. Here's an example. A real estate agency that receives hundreds of client emails daily. Instead of answering them manually, you build a smart chatbot that filters and replies to messages instantly using AI. You can charge anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000 per setup, plus a monthly maintenance fee. If you get just 10 clients paying $2,000 each month, that's $240,000 a year. And as you scale, you can easily cross $1 million. The best part? You don't need coding skills. You just need to understand how to connect AI tools and optimize workflows. You're selling time freedom to other businesses, and they'll gladly pay for it. 2 AI content agency. Next, we have one of the hottest business models right now, the AI content agency. Every brand, YouTuber, and startup needs content to survive. Blog posts, social media captions, ads, thumbnails, scripts, newsletters. But hiring a full creative team is expensive. You can fill that gap using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, and Midjourney. Here's how it works. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to create blog articles and ad copy. Use Midjourney to generate high-quality graphics or thumbnails. Use Synthesia or Pika Labs to create videos. Offer these as a package to clients. For example, 30 pieces of AI-generated content per month for $2,000. If you sign 20 clients at $4,000 per month, that's $80,000 per month, or $960,000 per year. But here's the secret. Don't just sell raw AI content. Blend automation with creativity. Use AI for 80% of the work, and refine the final 20% manually. That's how you stand out, by producing AI-powered content that feels human. This business model is scalable, creative, and fast-growing. Perfect for anyone with writing or design sense who wants to turn AI into income. 3. AI SaaS, Software as a Service. Now, let's talk about AI SaaS, one of the most scalable business models ever created. Traditionally, launching software required coding, funding, and teams. Not anymore. With no-code platforms like Bubble, Replit, and Glide, you can build an AI-powered app with almost zero technical experience. Here's a simple example. An AI resume builder that generates professional resumes instantly using ChatGPT. The creator of one such app made over $100,000 in the first few months. So, how do you do it? Identify a problem people face. For example, AI that summarizes podcasts, or AI that writes LinkedIn bios. Build the app using a no-code platform. Connect it to an AI model like OpenAI's GPT or Anthropic's Claude. Monetize it through monthly subscriptions, $10 to $30 per month. Let's say you build a tool that helps freelancers generate proposals automatically. If 3,000 users pay $30 per month, you're making $90,000 per month, or over $1 million per year. What makes SaaS amazing is that it's automated income. Once built, it runs 24/7. You can keep improving it, but even when you sleep, your app keeps generating revenue. 4. AI course and education business. The next business opportunity is teaching others about AI. Yes, AI education is one of the fastest growing online industries right now. Everyone wants to learn how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation tools, but very few people explain it in a practical way. That's where you can step in and make serious money. You can create and sell AI courses, workshops, or boot camps. For example, how to use AI to automate your business. AI for content creators. Master chatgpt for productivity. You don't need to be an AI scientist, just someone who can explain things clearly. Here's a simple model. Record your lessons using your webcam or screen share. Host them on platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Notion. Price your course between $99 and $499. Now imagine selling a $349 course to 3,000 people. That's $1,047,000 in revenue. And you can earn more by adding templates, coaching sessions, or community access. Promotion is key. Post short educational clips on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. People love quick AI hacks, and if your course genuinely helps them, your content will go viral. Education doesn't just make money. It builds a personal brand that opens doors to sponsorships, consulting, and partnerships. 5. AI agency for YouTubers and influencers. And finally, one of the most underrated but powerful opportunities, AI services for creators. Every YouTuber, podcaster, or influencer is overloaded with content tasks, editing videos, writing scripts, designing thumbnails, repurposing clips. Most don't have time to do all that. You can solve this with AI. Here's the system. Use Whisper AI or Descript to transcribe videos. Use ChatGPT to turn transcripts into short scripts or blog posts. Use Runway ML or Pika Labs to auto-edit videos and create B-roll. Use Midjourney for unique thumbnail art. Package this as a done-for-you creator automation service. You can charge between $1,000 and $3,000 per month per client. With 30 loyal creators, you're easily making over $1 million annually. This business is perfect for people who love digital media. You're not creating content yourself. You're using AI to make creators' lives easier and helping them scale faster. The more they grow, the more they'll pay you. Plus, you can automate your own processes, meaning you handle dozens of clients without ever needing employees. Conclusion. So let's recap the 5 AI businesses that can make you $1 million without hiring anyone. AI Automation Agency. Help businesses save time and money with AI workflows. AI Content Agency. Produce bulk, high-quality content for brands using AI. AI SAS. Build a no-code app that solves one problem and earns passive income. AI Course Business. Teach others how to use AI tools and profit from education. AI Creator Agency. Use AI to help YouTubers and influencers grow faster. Each of these businesses runs on a simple principle. Use AI to multiply your time and output. Instead of hiring employees, you're hiring automation. Instead of working harder, you're working smarter. And remember, every big business you see today started with one small idea and one person who decided to act. The AI revolution has leveled the playing field. You don't need investors or big teams anymore. You just need the right idea, the right tools, and the courage to start. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more amazing content.